Okay, second grade teachers, so we're going to talk again about 3-digit minus 3-digit with regrouping. I know, everybody's favorite in second grade, but I promise you, I'm going to show you a way that's going to make it a lot easier. So definitely we want to practice with building it. You'll notice I'm using the linking cubes because when I shift my 10, it's going to make it easier for them to see where the 10 is coming from. So I want to expand 342. So I have 342, and I like to show them, remember, we're using expanded form. And then we have 137. So I have 100 plus 30 plus 7. Now, a lot of them have started making their ones, tens, hundreds chart. So I like to just go ahead and show it to them this way so that it keeps them from getting confused. Pretend that my lines aren't that long. Okay, so I'm going to tell them we need to compare and make sure we have enough when we're taking things away. So if I have 300, do I have enough? Can I take 100 away? That will work because we always want to check our numbers first. That's one thing Greg Tang always says. I have 4 tens and I want to take away 3 tens. Do I have enough? I sure do because 40 is greater than 30. I have 2 units or 2 ones. I need to take 7 away. Are there enough there for me to take 7 away? There's not. So what do I need to do to get enough in the ones place? I need to shift a 10. So instead of having 4 tens or 40, when I shift it, I'm going to have 30. And how many am I going to have in my ones place now? Oh, I have 10, 11, 12. I have 12. I'm still using these base 10 blocks because I want them to see, how did I get this 10? I shifted it, and I want them to see it is now 12, and I would count it and make sure. Okay, so now we're going to start. I have 12. Can I take away 7? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I sure can. I have 3 tens, and it wants me to take away 3 tens. I have 3 hundreds, and it wants me to take away 100. Do I have enough? I sure do. And as I was doing that, I would have written the numbers. I just got sidetracked. So then they can see, well, what's my answer? I have what? How many hundreds? 2 hundreds. I wouldn't necessarily start with a problem that ends up where you have a 0 in your difference. That was just my mistake, but it still works for the purposes of explaining this to you. So no tens, and I have 5 ones. So 342 minus 137 equals 205. That is just the whole theory behind using place value to teach subtraction and regrouping so that they can see where are we getting that 10. We shifted the 10. We shifted the 10 over. And guys, I promise you, if you will practice this, they will get it, and you are setting them up to be so much more successful as they move on in their math career. All right, I'm going to pause it for a brief discussion.